Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to upload files in Trello. So uploading files in Trello is super simple and can help keep all your project resources in one place. So inside a card, you'll then be able to see options like labels, dates, checklist, members, and add. So just select attachment and you'll then be able to upload files directly from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or even attach a link. So once uploaded, the file will then show up right in the card so everyone on the board can access it instantly. This makes collaborating and sharing important documents much easier, and you can even comment on or preview attachments without leaving Trello. So it's a small step that keeps your workflow smooth and organized. So that's really it. So that's how to upload files on Trello. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.